Spring came late this year, so my garden is messy with a lot of work to be done, but slowly I will bring it to its glory. Here in the backyard, I have to clean the strawberry patch, to do some weeding, and to clean my mini vegetables garden that now it's empty. It only has two onions. Last spring I sowed lettuce, radishes, and onions, but this spring was so cold and we even had some freezing episodes, so I couldn't grow those spring vegetables. An important benefit of gardening is increased exercise. A busy day in the garden can be a good form of exercise. You may burn as many calories as a workout in the gym. Gardening also can improve your balance, strength, and flexibility. Growing and eating your own fruits and vegetables can have a positive impact on your diet. Gardeners are more likely to include vegetables as part of their healthy, well-balanced diets. Now let's see what a little bit of work can do. Tada! All cleaned out, no more weed, dry leaves, dead plants. I aerated the soil and now everything looks better. Getting outdoors is good for your physical and mental health. People tend to breathe deeper when outside. This helps to clear out the lungs, improves digestion, improves immune response, and increases oxygen levels in the blood. Spending time outdoors has been shown to reduce heart rate and muscle tension. Sunlight lowers blood pressure and increases vitamin D levels. Nearly all forms of exercise can reduce stress, including gardening. It's been shown to lighten mood and lower levels of stress and anxiety. It's very gratifying to plant, tend, harvest, and share your own food. Pulling weeds can be therapeutic and calming after a long day. It provides the opportunity to slow down, plan, or mentally work out a problem. I wish you could smell my mint. I love this scent in my garden. Watering everything was my last thing to do for this day, and now I will show you I already have some ripe strawberries. I gathered 4 garbage bags and here, behind the house, I have 3 left because I had only one ready when the garbage truck took the garden waste. I want to show you some images from the surroundings. I love living in the countryside. Now it's time for flowers. I will let you enjoy all the blooms, the wisteria, the snowball, the peony, the roses, the honeysuckle that has buds, the carnations that smell absolutely divine. Just enjoy all these beautiful colors. There's evidence that time in nature can make us feel refreshed. It helps our brains release serotonin and cortisol. These chemicals regulate our body's response to stress. Routines provide structure to our day and are linked to improved mental health. Gardening routines like watering and weeding can create a soothing rhythm to ease stress. A garden is a special place. It can improve our well being in many ways, helping us feel calm or giving a sense of purpose. Gardens can be relaxing. Just looking at a green space can help us distress. They can also give us a sense of achievement, boosting confidence and self esteem. A garden is a connection to nature. Gardening can improve mental health, confidence, and motivation. Gardens can work wonders when we are stressed and under pressure. Gardening is a journey. There will not be a day when you finish working on a garden and consider it done. Gardens are ever transforming. We can allow ourselves to move along with the spaces we work in and imprint a little of ourselves within them. There is no final destination, but a continuous journey of learning and chance of accomplishment. No green space is set in stone. Because of this, there is always opportunity for development and change. Every day is a school day. Here I have a succulent that keeps blooming since this winter and it's so interesting. And here I have a raised bed where I sowed a mix of flowers and now they are starting to bloom. Now let me show you my mini vegetables garden. I planted here 4 red pepper, 4 yellow pepper, 2 cherry tomatoes and 2 tomatoes. Here it is my sweet helper. I will show you now. I have more ripe strawberries. And here in the back I planted 4 cucumber plants and I sowed parsley. My garden is my happy place and gives me so much satisfaction. I hope today's video inspired you to plant, sow, or even take a walk in nature, because being outside in nature is priceless. I am so excited to grow these vegetables in my garden and enjoy them this summer. I am the most excited for the cucumbers because they are my favorite. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye!